Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up the Reya SDK on your system. First things first, head over to the SDK repository. The link is in the caption. Once you are there, scroll down to the installation section in the README. You'll need a couple of requirements like Poetry and Pipex installed beforehand. I already have them on my system. Now I clone the repo and open it inside VS Code. Let's open the terminal. You can use this shortcut. Then install the dependencies with Poetry install. Once that's done, activate the environment with the Poetry command. Next, we need to set up the end file. There's already an example file provided, so we just copy it and rename it to .env. Inside this file, there are a few extra lines we don't really need. I'll go ahead and remove them to keep things clean. Now to find the account ID, we need our wallet address. So first I paste my wallet address into the file. Then we go to a specific URL, we place the wallet address in the URL, and that gives us the account ID. Finally, we also need to add our private key into the end file. And that's it, setup complete. In the next video, we'll move on to making our first trade using the SDK.